Tips to get a oil stain from clothing. Removing oil from regular fabric. Gather your supplies. Blot the surplus oil by helping cover a paper towel. Cover the stain with baking soda. Allow the baking soda take 30 to an hour, then scrub it by having an old toothbrush. Pour some dish soap within the baking soda. Wash the outfit within the washer. Make certain the stain is totally gone prior to using the dryer. Removing sudden stains. Gather your supplies. Put a bit of cardboard within the outfit, behind the stain. Spray the stain with a few WD-40. Make use of an old toothbrush to wash some baking soda into the stain. Repeat the baking soda treatment till you have forget about clumps. Pour some dish soap to the baking soda. Wash the outfit within the washer based on the tag. Make certain the stain is finished before while using dryer. Trying other solutions. Be gentle with delicate fabrics. Understand how to handle dry cleanly fabrics. Treat the stain with cornstarch and dish soap. Apply certain hairspray to dissolve the stain. Use hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, and dish soap. Apply certain aloe vera, dish soap, or shampoo like a pre-wash stain remover. Use an outlet bought pre-wash stain remover.